Hello everyone, welcome to Morenchi. And in today's video, we are going to do the unboxing of latest MacBook Air from Apple, that is MacBook Air M1. So let's get started. This particular unit we have purchased from Flipkart, who managed to deliver it within 3 days, considering the current lockdown situation in few Indian states. After opening the outer box, we are greeted with the signature MacBook packaging from Apple. Let's keep the outer box aside. Apple provides a specific packaging to their MacBook lineup with two unique features, which shows us that how they are paying attention to minute details like outer packaging as well. First feature is the way Apple design opening up of the seal. You just need to peel up from the arrow side and boom, it's done. Wow. The second feature is the auto lift. When you pull out the inner side straps, the main MacBook box will get auto lifted, thus making it easy to take it out. Nice, right? So here is our MacBook Air main box. On front side there is MacBook branding, on sides there is Apple logo, and on top or front sides there is signature wedge shaped MacBook Air. At back you have further details like packaging and product specification. Like outer packaging, here also you need to peel off the outer plastic from arrow side. Once it's out, you just need to lift the upper lid and let gravity do its work. The bottom portion will slowly come out. Wow! So here is our space gray MacBook Air with M1 chip. Let's keep it aside. In the box, we will get a USB-C type charging cable, some documentation, and a charging brick. Documentation is a standard one and it's recommended to go through it before start working on your MacBook. Along with this documentation, you will get two Apple stickers as well. Let's keep it aside and have a look at our MacBook. Let's take out the outer film. And with first lid opening, the device will start automatically. Wow! While device is getting booted, let's look at the specification. This device contains 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB of SSD, 8 core CPU and 7 core GPU. Display is 13.3 inches with two-tone retina display. Let's quickly set up our MacBook with initial setting. So it's done, and this is the first look at our MacBook. So let's check out the configuration. So let's go to my Mac or about this Mac, and this shows us the processor, that is M1 with 8 GB of RAM. This is 2560 by 1600 resolution screen and 256 GB of SSD. Looking from side, you will see the signature wedge-shaped design of MacBook with two Thunderbolt port at one side, and at other side we have 3.5mm jack, and that's about the I/O on MacBook Air. And hence, due to limited port availability, you always need to carry a USB-C hub with you. It comes with a latest Apple Magic Keyboard with dedicated function keys and a big Apple trackpad with Force Touch. So that's it with the unboxing of latest MacBook Air M1. If you are happy with the content, do hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Full review of MacBook Air will be out shortly. Till then, Jai Hind and take care.